just for the kit after you buy the car, how much money do you think we need to be in just to get Arden?
That's a good question because everyone asks that.
Everyone asks that.
To be honest with you, it's a hard one because as far as you want your budget to go, I mean, I have customers that do full-on interior that's like 40, 50 grand for their interior, and then crazy paint jobs. And then you have the people that just match to OEM paint and just do racing seats and that's it. But average, you know, with the body kit, you know, getting to you and custom duty fees and shipping and all that. And the car itself, I mean, average, I would say, outside buying the car, you know, most people are spending the average about 100K on top of getting the car. Yeah. Most people are doing either custom interior, racing seats, the cages, and then they have the wheels, the suspension, brakes, the paint, and then you got the body kit, then you got the headlight, taillights they're changing, stuff like that. So I mean, it adds up pretty quick. But, you know, when you get sponsors, all that stuff helps. You know, and especially if you present yourself well to those companies and, you know, you're at the forefront of getting the company what they want as far as product showing and stuff like that, then definitely you can pick up some sponsorships, and that's going to help. That's going to help a lot. I mean, we got a great team that helped sponsor our cars, and that's been pretty awesome for us. Without a lot of things we want to do, we wouldn't have been able to do. So.